Welcome, word study friends. This week in word study, we are going to start talking about sort number 72. Your headers this week are short U and long U sounds with homophones. Homophones are words that are spelled differently but sound the same and have different meanings. You had homophones last week, and you guys did a great job of definitions and knowing the difference between the words, even though they sound the same. Your word cards this week are some and some, one and one, shoot and shoot, root and root, through and choose, with our headers and blue long column, both the same for learn study.